Here is a very quick and simple eye makeup look without using any eyeshadow. This eye makeup looks good on everyone and anyone can do this without actually using an eyeshadow palette. So now let's begin. You can't start your eye makeup without first drawing your eyebrows, because your eyebrows are part of your eye makeup and this makes your eye makeup to look really beautiful and good. So if you are a beginner, you need to learn this first before you move to your eye makeup application, and that is why I am starting this eye makeup tutorial first with an eyebrow tutorial, and I'll be using just an ordinary pencil for this. And I know that everyone has a pencil in their makeup bag. You can definitely use any pencil of your choice, and you just want to draw soft strokes like this, and then I'll move on to defining and cleaning the brows. You need to learn this first if you are a beginner, and I'll be using a very flat brush. This brush is super flat. It just makes it more precise whenever I use my concealer to define the bottom part of my brows. I don't know if anyone has noticed, but I only define the bottom part of my brows and then I leave the top as it is. I don't clean the top of my brows because it just gives a more natural finish for me. While doing this, I just use the brush to drag down the concealer onto my eyelid, and then I'll be using a beauty sponge to just tap that in and blend it out on my eyelids. Dragging the concealer down onto your eyelids and then blending it with your beauty sponge. Just make sure there are no lines underneath your brows. You know how you look at some people's brows and then you see a line underneath? It's because they didn't take the time to really blend it. This is how your brows and your eyelid should look like after cleaning and defining your brows and also prepping your eyelids. I'll be using a blending brush, of course. Make sure that you have a good blending brush. It just makes your eye makeup or your eyeshadow application much easier. And of course, don't forget the blending techniques: swiping motion, back and forth, circular motion. Just swipe back and forth. Circular motions makes it easier to apply your first transition shade. You can repeat this step a couple of times until you are satisfied with the color payoff. I always like to use at least 2 shades for my eye look, so I like to use a lighter brown and a darker brown. And now I'll be applying the darker brown, starting from the outer corners of my eyes and then blending inwards into the inner part of my eyes. If you watch closely, you're going to see I am going to achieve this. It is really easy when you have your blending brush because it just makes blending easier. So you apply and then you blend as you go. And of course, don't forget to use circular motion and then swiping motion to get this. Making sure to blend this into the inner parts of my eyes also. Doing this just takes your eye look from 0 to 100 in a second. And a quick reminder, my beautiful people, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Leave down your questions, your comments, or your suggestions down in the comment section, and please share with your friends and your loved ones. And if you are not yet a subscriber, what are you waiting for? And here you are sure to get makeup tutorials, tips and tricks on eyeshadow application, and also natural hair videos. So please subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber. Thank you. And then of course I went back with my first blending brush to just really blend out any harsh line again. Doing this step is really important. If you have a clean blending brush, you can use that, but if you don't, you can use the first blending brush. And now moving on to my eyelids, I'll be applying a blush on my eyelids. You can use any blush of your choice, and you can use a flat brush or your fingers to apply this on your eyelids. Using my fingers made it much easier to apply the blush. And of course, your eye makeup isn't complete without applying some mascara. So I'll be applying some mascara on the top and bottom part of my lashes. When it comes to eye makeup for me, I try to keep it simple as possible, so I don't like to do too much and I don't like to do anything that irritates my eyes, so I can just apply only my mascara and then I am good to go. If I am in the mood for eyeliner, I apply eyeliner, but most of the time I skip false lashes. But if you are a false lash girl, then definitely apply your false lashes. As for me, I am good to go like this. And then of course I'll apply some shimmer in the inner corners of my eyes just to brighten that part. And here is the finished eye makeup look. It is so easy and beginners friendly. You can definitely do this within 5 minutes and you are out of the house. So thank you guys for watching. Till next time, bye.